50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 22. Hope. Dear God, grant me hope in times of despair. Remind me that there is always light at the end of the tunnel, and that you are with me every step of the way. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Your mindset determines your success. Choose positivity.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Support sustainable fishing practices by purchasing seafood from certified sustainable sources.
For unity for a happier world.
By working together, we can address the root causes of inequality and injustice.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find harmony within ourselves, with others, and with the natural world.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.